Hey, long time no see. Hope you guys are doing well. Been having cravings for some dishes that I haven't made in a long time. Most of them are kind of more like cold weather dishes, you know, like chili and corn chowder. I make a mean corn chowder with mojo chicken in there. But yeah, they're all kind of, you know, cold weather dishes, and so that got me to thinking. It's probably been almost a year since I've made picadillo, and I've had a Mexican version, I had a Puerto Rican version, but I really like the Cuban version. So that's what we're going to do here today. We're going to make Cuban picadillo. I've started off. I've chopped up an onion, and it was a big old huge onion. Biggest one I've ever had. It's probably more onions than I normally use in the recipe, but we're going with it. So I've chopped up a whole onion. I've chopped up a whole bell pepper, a red one. And we're going to sweat those down. We're going to get some seasoning in there, and we're going to get going. So yeah, let me get out my little electric skillet, and let's do it. Alright, so as you can see, this is super simple. I don't know if you don't like olives or raisins. I don't know if you could really get away with not putting them in there. I think you'd be better off putting them in there and then just, you know, eating around them later on. You know, if you don't put the funk in, you ain't getting the funk out. You know what I'm talking about? So I think you got to have them in there, and you know, if you really can't deal with it, then I would eat around them. So probably the first 5 times I made this, right here would be right about the end point. The last ingredient would be a potato, and then you cover it and let it simmer for about a half hour. You'd be half hour, 45 minutes, till the potatoes are ready, and then you'd be good to go. But not today. Ho, no, we ain't finna do that today. No, we already got the funk going on right here. So we're gonna continue on. We're gonna put a little soy sauce in there. Something a little different. Yeah. I don't know, tablespoon or 2 of that. We got the adobo. Thing about this is it's super salty. So, you know, we already got the olives going in here. So, I don't know. I'm gonna put a little in here. We'll check it later on. See where we're at. So yeah, we're gonna do the soy sauce. adobo, and then we got some cilantro. I gotta get this cleaned up a little bit. Throw the potatoes in. That's it. We're gonna throw this in, throw this in. Actually, I mean, we'll probably keep a lot of this, put it on at the end. But yeah, we'll throw the potatoes in there, cover it up, let it percolate, marinate for 30, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, till the potatoes are good, and we're good to go. Oh, in the meantime, I'm gonna make some white rice. Bam! Well, what do we have here? We got some trailerhood, Cuban style picadillo. Woo! Y'all see how I did it all fancy with the rice right there? All fancy and whatnot. Alright, let me see here. Oh, that was good. Yeah. Yeah, that is really good. Definitely different. A lot of different flavor profiles going on here. It's fantastic. Well, this rice over here. I did jasmine rice and threw some cilantro in there too. Alright, well, I guess we've come to the end of the road. It was fun. It's good seeing you guys again. This was Cuban Picadillo, trailerhood style. You know how we do. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you next time. Take care.